So getting into like more of the psychology of like or the whys, like why? There's something called from the biology standpoint, there's something called sperm competition theory. And that's literally where it's suggested that watching your partner with another man prompts a biological response to have longer and more vigorous sex, which would lead to harder ejaculation and a shorter refractory period between erections. In other words, you can keep going and going and going, which is pretty much like a competition to plant the seed.
That's interesting.
Isn't that fucking fascinating?
Yeah,
like
is,
you're trying to like compete to make sure that your sperm is the one that, fertilizes the egg.
That's something, because it's almost like, if the person, is that really, I don't know.
I think it's really a thing, but I think it's not something that people think about. This is something that is a subconscious thought in somebody's head.
Yeah.
But there are obviously lots of lots of reasons. Clearly, satisfaction probably being the number one.
Yeah, something that they just get off on, I guess, right?
Yeah, they get off on the fact that somebody that they care about is getting off too, but not from them.
It almost makes you wonder too if these people that are into this, are they insecure because they feel like they can't please their partner,
I don't know. I suppose
Yeah.
there could be lots of different variations here, but it seems like from some stories that I've read that it seems like that they want their partner to have more, and more of a reason it seems like to stay with them.
Yeah.
Like,
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
like here, I can satisfy you, and then you can go and be satisfied, and you're going to be fully satisfied, and there's going to be like no worries.
Yeah.
And that can either be from sexually or dating. Like people have full on additional like relationships inside. So they're like with the cuckolder has a wife, and the wife will go out and have a bull, the
And
bull.
the bull's the third party.
Yes, the bull is the third
Those
party.
that didn't know, yeah.
And the bull will satisfy the wife, and the guy, the cuckolder, will either be present, not be present, hear about it later. Maybe they're watching, maybe they're involved. I mean, like there's so many levels, But the woman, the cuckoldress, I believe is the term, is kind of the dominant one in this scenario, right? Because she gets to be like the sexually satisfied party.